Today, February 15th, 2021. Tree is covered with ice crystal. Look at that. This is a big oak tree in front of my house. It's covered with ice crystal, and we are getting snowstorm tonight until tomorrow Tuesday 1 p.m. On the top of that ice we have snow. All our neighborhood, it's little dawn time, all our neighborhood is covered with snow. I came all the way down from my office. Road was messy. Interstate I-75 was very messy, but I somehow was able to reach home, and right at my driveway I struggled for half an hour to go inside garage. Finally I have to give up because my car will spin. I removed snow, but there is ice covered on the driveway, so it is so slick and the car just spins, does not move. So our both of car we put in driveway. I could not put on the in my garage. Richmond City is not cleaning snow properly yet because we have a lot of snow coming and wintry mix coming. It's pretty dangerous weather condition. There is a danger of power outage. A few days ago when we have this bad weather, more than 65,000 people in state of Kentucky lost power. With the grace of God, we did not lose power, and hope we don't lose power tonight. And this is what it looks like. All my neighborhood very quiet. It's a little drizzle coming right now, and this is little Shivarti, and all about snow, and then I see tree, I see electric wires. This tree is completely glazed with snow. Thanks for watching. This is Kishore.